Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What the Hell's He Thinking? So guys, my friend Tracy sent me a message and said, hey, you want to go with me? And I said, yeah, I guess I'll go. I didn't know that when he meant go with me that I'd be the one loading the truck full of all his parts and motorcycles. What we have here is CL90. I'm not sure what year. You sure what year? We're not sure what year they are, but we got a couple of them. But to make sure Tracy doesn't get into trouble is we're gonna take all these parts, put them onto one so it looks like one motorcycle when he shows up at home. So he went and bought a motorcycle and got a whole bunch of free stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you will be. Okay, let's take these straps off. Tracy doesn't want to be recorded, so something about the witness relocation program, them not being able to see him on that. So that's what he's really afraid of. It's either that or an old girlfriend. I'm not really sure why he's so afraid to do it. It may be maybe that crazy old girlfriend coming after him. I'm gonna go ahead and let him kind of keep unloading this stuff because that's what he did to me a little while earlier. We got these motorcycles from a friend of ours that has since passed away, and his wife's got to get rid of this stuff. So Tracy was able to make a nice donation to the Widow's Relief Fund to help out, and so that's how we ended up with these. A great guy, and he wanted to put together a couple of CL90s, so Tracy's going to build one for him. Okay, so we're just going to monkey this thing out of here?
Yeah.
You know, all we're really doing is going to be making it heavier to put back in the truck.
I know. I hope it don't break when I drop it.
We'll find out. So let's see.
Oh, don't break it.
I'm going to go on record as saying that refrigerator drawers don't make the best parts bins. So he's got a couple, let's see, a couple of really good seats. Oh, with the toolboxes in both of them. No tools. This is the one parts, we can't really call it a roller, it's a unicycle. But handlebars, it's got good bits on it, good fender. This is the one that we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fit together. We do have a front fender for this one. And a muffler. We got an original air box.
With the air filter still in it.
With the air filter in it. We've got a front fender for it. A couple of extra fenders here, we can figure out which one is the better front fender.
Yep.
Tank and a seat.
Right there.
Yeah. Extra set of handlebars. We didn't go through this tote yet. There's something about digging through just the parts cache. I was really hoping that we were going to find a battery cover. That's what I was looking at. I didn't see that anywhere, so.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and see if we can hang that engine. So did you check the front end on this?
Well, it kind of.
Oh, this has got the front end stiffener package.
Yeah.
It's a little stiffer, but they're better than that front end.
It's got the little bit of air in the tire. That
that helps. Yeah, you put a little bit more air in it, it'll get a little bit better.
It's
okay.
4,900 miles on it.
Yep. Did we find a kickstart lever?
No, did not.
Okay, let's see if I can find one inside. Okay, let's take spark plug out, squirt a little juice in here, just in case it wants to move. Now, just so we're all clear, Tracy is secretly hoping that this doesn't turn because he knows if it turns, I'm gonna want to see if we can get it to start.
Yeah, that's a biggie. I know I'll be here a little while longer trying to get fire.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it on and see if it moves.
Oh gosh,
it moves. Oh no, it's
is that the clutch?
This is turning, but look, my cam is not turning. So what I'm saying is our kickstart lever is moving.
It could be, though.
But our cam gear is not turning. Oh, let's just turn this. Oh, that's moved. It's the engine. Well, the cam moves. I think I got some compression. Yeah,
Oh, you just made a mess.
it's all right. I got some compression. You hear that?
What am I doing? I'm lifting this up. Oh, I gotta go. Okay, hold on. Where's Carrie when we need her?
I know.
Okay, come up. You want to try the front one first? Whichever one's going in. Okay, I'm in on my side somewhat. I'm in here. Why didn't I grab a screwdriver? I got it if you want to grab a screwdriver.
2 hours later.
Okay, I think
Okay, got it? Watch this.
Oh, you just dropped it. Carrie! Come on.
Okay.
You trying to show I don't need my wife?
It's
Is that what
in.
you're doing? As long as I have you, I don't need her.
Well, pride ought to say you can do this,
Well,
right?
smack it. I don't mind. I don't mind calling for it.
All you need is smacking it?
There you go. We're through.
Okay.
We don't need no stinking Carrie.
Oh, it's hitting right here.
Oh,
I got to
you know
take
what?
that side
We
cover
got.
off.
We got. Well,
You got to put the bottom in first?
We got to put the bottom in first. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, we got to put the bottom in first.
All right, bottom one.
I told him we had to put the bottom in first.
He told me, but I didn't listen. Okay, you ready?
No, but I guess I am.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, top's out.
Okay. Okay, bottom's in. Whoa. I think the bottom's in. We can go with the top in. Oh, as long as the top is, or the bottom is over that kickstand, the center stand, we're good. Oh. What is going on here? Is this the old proverbial monkey in the football? I don't know who's the football and
Wait,
who's
I've
the
almost
monkey.
got it. It's right there. Don't move.
Hold on, we're nowhere close. We're not even close.
But the bottom one was almost close. I had a half a hole. I had a screwdriver.
I'm not even going to say anything. If you had a screwdriver, what did you do with the screwdriver?
It's way over there.
You need me to yell for Carrie again?
No, huh?
Carrie!
No, don't tell her that. You got it?
Yeah.
Don't let it hit the ground.
You see how he does this? You got it? This is how,
This is how
the truck got loaded.
Yeah, this is how it got loaded and tied down.
You got
Okay,
it?
all right. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, do we need a hand? About time we get a neighbor to come help out because Tracy's nothing.
Wait, this is the smallest bike he's ever worked on.
Yeah, sweet tea. Huh? You heard me yell for Carrie before, apparently.
What's up, E?
Not too much, man. We're trying to put this engine in. Okay, let's see. How about we do it? We'll let Brandon fill the hole. All right. I stick the screwdriver in.
I could do that.
How about we do that, Tracy?
Okay.
We pick up the front end. He gets that back hole or any hole at this point.
Oh, this in here, right?
Yeah, this one is right down here.
Okay. Drop the front down a little more. Pick up on the back.
Oh, what do you want? Pick up on the back or drop the front?
Yeah, drop this the front.
Okay.
Drop down on the front.
There's a
pick up on the back.
screwdriver. Look.
Jam that something in the hole. Okay. Is that in?
Ooh, it's close. Over there. Over there.
Is that close? Yeah, look like it needs to go back.
Yep.
Whose idea was this?
I know whose idea, bro.
Probably Eric's.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And he wants to see if it'll start.
It is not even mine.
It
I
won't
know
go-
it's so
it
close.
won't- It's got to go through this side.
Okay, is there that
Let
screwdriver
the
up
front
there?
end down. Wait, hold on. Let the front end down. Just a tad.
I'm about to tell you guys what my grandma used to tell me. I'm screwing this cat. You guys
Okay.
we're
See
almost.
it on the other side here, though.
Not yet. We're close. I think I need to come in. I think I need to come back. There we go. We're through. Okay. Tracy, let's see if we can get
That's
something.
crazy.
Tracy, Brandon, Tracy.
Nice to meet you, sir.
How you doing?
Good. There we go. Okay, stick one up top, Tracy.
Okay, no, this is right. Yeah, this is the long one. Go right here.
There we go. Boom.
Wow.
Brandon, you heard my yelling for Carrie.
I did. I was like, I wonder if he needs a hand with something.
Yeah, at least I wasn't bleeding. Last time I yelled, I was bleeding. So that was the old proverbial monkey in the football. You guys figure it out. We're not sure exactly who was the monkey and who was the football. I'm gonna say monkey and then football here. Okay, let's see if we can put some more parts on it. It looks better than it did before, Tracy. It looks like a full motorcycle now.
That's good.
Maybe we want to put these nuts on it so it doesn't fall off. By the way, if you're at Barber Vintage Fest, our vendor swap meet, our swap meet vendor spot is G14. Stop by, come tell Tracy hi.
Hey.
Oh, wrong way.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, engine on. We're gonna save this guy for later because we're gonna need to put a coil on anyway, and to put a coil on you got to drop the engine, and to put this guy on you have to pull off this sprocket cover because it goes right back there, so we got to pull that off. So we're not going to do that right now. Did we have a points plate? I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna go try to find a points plate.
I didn't get much done while you were gone.
Okay, good, you got a points plate. Okay, so we're able to find a points plate inside. Boy, that parts lot with the CT70s and mini trail stuff is coming in handy. We keep finding stuff to go on stuff. So Tracy's gonna go ahead and put this fender on. I'm gonna do something hard like mount the seat up.
You can't put the seat on without the tank.
Put the tank on. This is, see what I mean? Always bossy, bossy, bossy. And I end up spending 4 days with this guy in October, and it's the same thing. Tells me when to go to sleep, when to wake up, oh, you're leaving your stuff laying around. It's all that stuff. Nag, nag, nag. Clean your mess up. It's all the same. All right. Oh, I should put on this guy first.
What's that?
This guy right here.
Oh, that's a fun one.
Oh, I'll save that for you then.
Oh, there's already a screw in it
I know.
on this side.
There's a screw on both sides. I'll save that for you.
I'm sitting here reaching through these darn fork and through the spokes trying to.
Okay, we got this guy here. Oh, we gotta find it.
This whole video is going to have me putting one bolt in a fender.
One bolt. What'd you do, Tracy? I put a bolt in a fender. One bolt in a fender. Let's see. Yeah, there's still struggle. The struggle is real over here.
And like it's not hot out here.
No, it's not hot. But let's see which seat looks the best. I think it's going to be between this one and this one on the left. I think we're going to go with this one. It's got less rips. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and put this seat on. That doesn't look like the same seat. Let me look at this one. Oh, see, this is it. This seat goes on this.
Well, that just made our choices, didn't it?
There's just some subtle differences in these seats. They look the same from the outside, except this right here, and this is the one we need right here. See, because it'll fit right on, right there. All right. Seat on.
Fender on.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Hercules, 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 Hercules.
Okay, let's see what this is good. This thing's looking like a motorcycle now. Look at this.
I was going to say, it shouldn't have a middle mount. It should have a back mount and a front mount.
But it's got this guy right here. Doesn't it mount right here with the engine? That bolt lines up exactly. And that tends to go right there. Oh, yeah, probably it, Tracy.
Does it have a, must have a big long
must
bracket.
have an extender. Yeah. Yeah, this is the piece we're missing, that extender right there. That goes from the top to the bottom. But everything else is there. It does mount on the with the engine mount right there. Okay, we decided to pull this sprocket cover off only because we can hang the exhaust. We don't have the top extender bracket that we're missing, so we'll put this in the middle and we don't have to worry about it falling off. Okay, let's see where these wires. Oh, these wires probably should have went up in there. these wires probably should have went up in there. Well, when we pull the engine to put the coil on, we can run these up inside. I'm not holding it at all. But did it work?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I was holding it from over there. Remote holding. It works every time. Okay, let's put the air box on.
Got
Okay,
it.
good.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So, well done.
Let me put this cover back on. This sucker's not too far off.
Had a carburetor, I'm not sure you can make noise, huh?
I'm sure we could get it to make some kind of sound. I don't know if it'd be running sounds, but we could make sounds while we were kicking it.
We could push it up and down the driveway.
We definitely tow it with the three-wheeler for sure.
I've seen that.
Yep. Get Carrie out here. She'll do it. She ain't scared. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got it. Good job.
Perfect.
Well done. Hold on.
Well, you do good work.
This is just the second time I load this truck today. Not too bad. That's a much better. She's gonna say, look how cute that thing is. Way better than the other way.
Well, yeah, it looked kind of nasty the other way.
Yeah.
But
It didn't look like a motorcycle.
All she got to do is watch the video.
That's right. We won't show her that. I'll go inside and record a video of Carrie talking about how she wished she had one of these.
There you go.
Maybe that'll help. Yeah. So guys, if you see any of these parts that you need, go ahead and send me an email to motorcyclerewind@gmail.com and I'll connect you with Tracy and he'll ship it to you for a small fee and price. He's got to pay for the other pieces and parts he needs.
Yeah.
So help him out. Or if you want, you can just send him $10 so he can put this thing together. Or if you go to Barber, you can just bring him $10. Or buy him one of those lemonades because that's the same price.
Yeah, we'll see you at Barber.
Yeah. That's it, but that's not too bad. So, and if you see something like this whole bike is probably going to be is going to be at Barber or gone before. I mean, I would look at which of these rear shocks are better.
I think those over there are.
Yeah, I think these over here are. I think this, we believe this headlight bucket is going to move to the other bike, is going to move from this bike to the other one. Look, you don't need levers. You've got levers right here.
I got one.
You got two.
Yeah, that one's broke.
This one on this side's broke?
This one's broke off.
Oh. He's so picky. He's got to have the little ball on the end.
Just take a file and kind of clean it up. It'll be okay. It pulls.
If it doesn't have this little ball on the end, he won't do it.
No.
He's got standards.
I'm a stickler
Unlike
with my little balls.
I don't have. He is definitely a stickler with his little balls. Look, this would be good, Tracy. Look right here. Heat gun. See if we can get these plugs off. See if we can get these plugs off.
Wow.
Or
look at on the front too.
oh, they're on the front too. It may be easy.
All four of them.
It may be easier to swap the top triple tree, the handlebars and all that, than it would be to try to get these off without breaking them. But that's good that they're there. We're talking about these plugs right here that come on. You see they're missing here, and you see they're right there. So you can buy new ones, but if they're already there, why not use it? And if that fender looks really good.
I do have a really nice fender over there though.
Yeah, you got another fender?
I got a really nice back.
Does that one have it? Does that one have the plugs? That other fender?
Oh, I didn't look.
Where'd it go?
No.
No, no plugs.
No plugs.
But it's a good fender.
Put a little bit of rust
Remover?
on that.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's got a crack in it right here.
Yeah, I saw that. Got a little crack in it.
Not too bad. So guys, there you have it. We went ahead and took a CL90, made it look like a roller so Tracy doesn't get in trouble when he goes home. And not too bad. In about an hour or so is what we did.
Yeah,
so guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Say bye, Tracy.
Bye.